Beard is getting stupid. The only reason why I don't shave is because my daughter will freak out if I do shave it off. She don't want to know me. But look at that, it looks absolutely stupid and I can't be arsed to get it trimmed. I look like a poodle gone wrong. Seriously, if I shave, she'll freak out. She don't want to know me. Who are you? And she'll cry for the rest of the day. And that's basically why I've got this bloody beard, because I seriously, she hates it. She hates me when I shave. I'm like a different person to her. Hello, Fishy. Have you been fed, old boy? Have you been fed? 2 bottom feeders, 1 snail, 1 betta fish. No idea.
Yes.
Can you see the fish?
Yes.
What's his name?
Yeah.
Alan? Can I shave my beard? I can shave my beard? Do you want it? Can I shave it all off? I can.
Oh.
Yeah. Can I shave it off? Zzz, zzz. Can I shave it? Yes. Can I shave it? I can shave it. Have I got permission to shave it?
No.
No. Oh. What are you doing, dude? Houses. I can't stand houses. I'm sick to death of them. Basically, just a little update. Still going to do cooking videos. I've just been so busy with houses. Stop squeaking that, dude. What are you doing? You coming out or staying in? Right, yeah, I've been busy doing houses. I hadn't had time to do any cooking videos or anything like that. It's just been so stressful. Like I said in the other videos, I've got a house in England that I need to sell. I haven't sold that yet. Having problems with that. We're having problems with our other house. We haven't still sold that. We had a lot of work. I've had to do a lot of work on it. Do the floors. I had an inspection and it sort of failed certain things. So we need to get that fixed. Nearly fixed them. We've had some offers. Not quite as what we expected, but we've got one interested today, apparently. So I'm happy about that. See where that leads us. We've had a leak. We've had a big, massive leak. Unbelievable. I was getting my coffee about 5 o'clock in the morning and I heard this drip. I'll leave some pictures or some videos. And I heard a little drip and I didn't know what it was. I thought it was, I don't know, the faucet, the tap. And I heard it, I listened to it. Anyway, there was a big, massive wet patch. So I said to my wife, what is that big, massive wet patch? I said, I don't know, Stephen. Anyway, I had some guys come over. They inserted some sort of knife in it. Anyway, water, vroom. So we had a big, massive leak. Big, massive leak. We had to get some. Do you want to come out here?
Yeah.
Come on then. Oh. The guys needed to get some fans in, upstairs and downstairs, to dry it all out. 24/7 they needed to be on, driving us absolutely crazy. Going to bed, they needed to be on. Couldn't switch them off. Anyway, they did the job and it's all dried out now. It's all good. Can I shave my beard?
No.
I can have I got permission to shave my beard?
Yes.
So I really want to shave this off. I mean, look, I'm gonna go off. Can I shave it off?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, I can shave it off.
What?
I can shave my beard off. Do you understand what I'm going to do? I'm going to shave my beard off.
Yes.
Okay, fine, excellent. So here was a problem. We had a loose, I don't know if you can see that, there's some pipes there, little pipe. Anyway, it was loose. So every time we turned the bath on, it leaked down there. So, nightmare. But it's fixed. Ish. So basically, this is the kids' playroom for now. I sold the pool table. Sold it. A little disappointed, but it had to go. But there's so much space in here now. Looks nice. Looks good.
Right.
Are you on the swing?
Yeah.
Come on then. Let's go. With all the stress and all the moving and, you know, having to deal with houses and stuff, we are happy. I'm really happy. Kids are happy, apart from fighting. But apart from that, they're happy. We're all happy. But we really want to get these houses sold, especially one in England, because that's been going on for nearly 2.5 years. That's my mum's old house. So, absolute pain in the butt. One thing I am going to do with all this land is sweep it all off, get all that grass, get all those weeds out, and put a nice shed down there at the back. Remove this big, massive tree, whatever up in there, I've no idea. But move that. I want to keep these trees. I do like these trees. I want to keep some of these trees, but definitely put a shed down at the back there. Apparently there's a stream back there. I'm not going to go further down because there's probably some snakes down there and I don't want to get bit today, if that's okay. But yeah, loads of stuff I want to do with this back. As I say, kids are happy. Everyone's happy life. So that's basically what I've been doing. Just a little update. I am going to be making cooking videos, but it's all these houses. It's all what's going off now. It's very stressful. And I'll be so glad to sell all these houses and get rid of them and be done with them and just relax with this house. But yes, I will be making cooking videos. At the end of the day, we are happy. It's stressful. So I'll see you soon, guys. Oh, you're happy now? Yeah. Can I shave my beard? Oh, I'm gonna shave my beard. Come on then, let's go.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna shave my beard.
What?
I'm gonna shave my beard.
We're gonna stay right here.
See ya.